Right here we have an electric dust blower. Usually people use the compressed air dust blowers, you know, the ones that you get from your local store, and you know, it's the compressed air, you press it and then it's psh. Well, this one is electric, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, open the box and here you go. You get your instructions, carrying pouch, and then you get the dust blower and all the attachments that comes with it. You got the one with the brush, one with an angle, open source, and here goes the brand right here, 110,000 RPM. Quite insane. Brushless motor, compressed air. This is a cool duster, you guys, with 100 gears of adjustment. Yes, you heard me, 100 gears. You have to hold the power button and then it turns on. Once it turns on, it shows you the battery level. So we at 78%. And then all you have to do is turn your knob right here. So you have your wheel. Once you turn your wheel, you see that? So you have 100 levels of adjustment. So you see that? Okay. And I pretty much gotta get my stuff back. It is very powerful. Another thing you get with this, if you hit the power button again, which is on the bottom, you get a ring light. So if you're working during your night shift and you're cleaning off your equipment and stuff like that, dusting, and you need a light, you don't have to run and get a separate light. You have a ring light right here. It's have a decent amount of light to it, but more than likely you're dusting in the daylight anyway. So you can see everything. They have these recess notches right there. You put it in and turn clockwise. And then it's in, and then you can go ahead, dust and brush. All right, you guys, so for the most part, you will just be dusting as usual. So hold your power button. We have our Super Nintendo right here. We have all systems, you guys, regular Nintendo, Super Nintendo, all the way up to the newer systems. We have everything, you guys. And, you know, when it comes to the old systems, we don't play them as much. I can honestly say that this wasn't that dusty, but we do have a dusty one right here. Give me 1 second. So right here, we got the 360. See how it's angled like that? You can just use your brush, turn it on. Don't forget you can hit the power button again to have your light if you need it. And look, that stuff is brushing right off. You see that? Look at that. Amazing, right? Don't forget to hit all areas. And that will be it. And don't forget, this is built-in battery. So you have your charger port right here, USB Type-C. There is a cool feature on this thing. So you hold your power button, right? You turn your air on. Now I got it on 1 right now. Right here, there's a button. This is boost mode. All right. Hold the power button, and yeah, that's pretty cool. If this thing ever runs out of battery, it will take 2.5 hours to fully charge it, and you get a maximum use time of 105 minutes. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.